Welcome back, pumpkin heads. I just checked. I am at 999 subscribers. Super excited. If you haven't noticed, I am filming in my bathroom. Yes. In this video, I am going to show you, this figure that I got off of Amazon a couple years ago. You guys have probably seen him in previous videos where I've showed my horror stuff, but yeah, I'm hoping to get more of these figures. I forget how much he was. But before I get into that, I am drinking my iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. I love Dunkin's coffee. So let's get into this. I'm going to show you his stand first. Looks like this. It is by Bendy Figs, Lionsgate Twisted Pictures. Came out in 2023. The Noble Collection Toys made in China. That's what it says right there. You guys can see that. Yeah. Stand. It is dusty. Need to clean him off. I love the way the stand looks. We'll get back to that. But here's the figure. Right here. He looks really cool. The face. I'm gonna try to get out of the shot so you guys can see this. Right there. The back of him. I think he looks really good. He is, of course, Bendy. I think he looks really, really good. I think the price for him was, I'm gonna say, with it being Amazon, it was probably like 13, 14, or maybe 20 bucks. But yeah, they do make other figures. Bendy Figs, they make other ones, but, well, the Noble Collection Toys. I'll look them up, and I will leave a link in the description of this video of other figures by this company. If you want to pick these up, they're really cool. Right there, his shoes, his hands, his bow tie, then this right here, the face, the spirals on his cheeks, his red eyes. It's really hard to see because the lighting in my bathroom is not that good, so yeah, but this is what he looks like. I will take a picture of him and post it on my community tab so you guys can see a better picture of him, more up close, better look of him. This is a stand. And you got like these cracks and stuff in it. Kind of hard to see that, but I will take a picture of it too. You can see Bendy Figs up there, hopefully. But that is video on the 2023 Bendy Figs Billy puppet from Saw. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think he's really cute. I would love to get like a bigger doll of him, but that costs money, and I can't afford that right now, so. But it's okay. Sorry about how I look right now. I need to get a shower eventually, so sorry I look terrible. But yeah. I really think he's really cool. Really good quality too. So I definitely recommend picking him up for your horror collection. If you are a fan of horror or you are a fan of the Saw franchise, definitely pick him up to add to your collection. Definitely worth it. I think he's really cool. Here, see? Standing on his own. See right here, it is printed on the bottom of his shoe. Holes in the bottom of his shoes here, both of them, to go on his stand. So, yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for getting me to 999 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Almost at 1,000. So thank you guys so much. I love you all. And I hope you guys will stick around for the next video, whenever that will be. Bye.